I recorded a video recently on how I used a buy stop to enter order trade when I spotted a breakout in gold and I wanted to make sure I bought into gold on a break above a trend line. I have had quite a few people ask me, what's this stop to enter order? How do you use it? Why do you use it? So if you're trading, you will know what a stop loss order is. If you are trading and you don't use stop loss orders or you don't know what they are, do not execute another trade without finding out. Look in the description box. There's a link for you to sign up to 5 free ebooks. One of those books is called 18 Reasons Why You Must Use a Stop Loss. I can't tell you how important it is. I've been trading for 35 years and I still have periods when I just lose. I'm really good at spotting low risk trade opportunities. I've built a business on it for 15 years, trading it for many decades. But even I will have sustained periods when I just can't find a winning trade. In fact, Monday of this week, I did 6 trades. I lost on all 6 trades. Fortunately, because I was using stop loss orders, my loss was something like 5 or 6%. I didn't really care. Got up the next morning, started trading again, and it's now Thursday and I've made it all back and I'm up 7 or 8% for the week. Stop loss orders saved me. If I was stubborn, stuck with the positions, I would now be in quite serious trouble. I'd probably be down about 20%. You must use stop loss orders. If you don't, sign up for my free ebook and get yourself the 18 reasons why you must use a stop loss. This is the MT4 platform. If you're using a different platform, I'm sure it'll be similar in trade entry. Let's do a market execution order. If I was doing a market execution order, I can put my stop loss in there. So let's say I was going to buy the euro US dollar at 109.08. That's the offer price. Buy by market. I would click that button. I could have my stop order in at, let's say, 1.0880. Roughly 30 pips stop. So you must always put a stop loss in. And that means if you're long the euro and it drops down to 108.80, the stop loss order will automatically execute when 108.80 is hit and you will exit from your losing position automatically, whether you've got your screen open or closed. The other type of order that I use, pending order, an order that is resting in your order book. It's a pending order. In this case, a buy stop. Say, for example, I decide that if it breaks above the very big resistance level, if it breaks above 109.50, I want to enter a buy order because I think the market is really going to take off and I think it's going to go to 111.00, for example. I think there's 150 pip potential profit in buying above 109.50. The market might be in a range at the moment, stuck in a bull flag or some sort of consolidation, and I'm looking for a breakout of the consolidation to the upside to take advantage of a potential run higher in the euro versus the US dollar. So I might put an order in at 109.60. 10 pips above my resistance area. I believe if it hits 109.60, that is proof enough that the market has broken higher. And I might put my stop loss in at, let's say, 109.00. There you go. I've got a 60 pip stop loss and I've got a target of 111.00. Just making these numbers up as an example. This isn't a trade that I'm going to do. Okay, so now the market's trading at well below 109.60. If I put this order in my order book, if I hit place, that will sit there. And if the market rises up to 109.60, I will automatically execute an order to buy the euro versus the US dollar at 109.60. My stop loss is in there 60 pips lower and my take profit target is in there 140 pips higher. I may decide that if the market breaks down below 108.50, let's say that that's the lower trend line of a flag, I may decide that I want to sell the market on a break below 108.50. So I can use a sell stop order. I'm going to put it in at 108.40, 10 pips below my support level. I'm going to have my stop in at 108.90. So I'm going to give myself 50 pips in case the market bounces back and it's a false break. I don't want to lose more than 50 pips on this trade. Now, if I'm right, I think the market's going to go to 106.00. My target, I have a potential 140 pip profit and a 50 pip loss. That risk reward works perfectly for me. That would certainly be worth the risk. Hit the place button and that order would then be in my order book and I would automatically sell short into the euro versus the US dollar at 108.40 if the market drops down there, which is about 70 pips away from where we are at the moment. Okay, hope you found that helpful. If you are interested in getting signals, my daily signals and analysis, then do have a look in the description box and visit my website.